Hi guys, I'm going to teach you a quick, well it's not really quick, but a way of making a little bit of money from all this stuff you have at home. Since I'm having a baby soon, well not me, but my wife, we needed to declutter the house, and trust me, after 12 years of being in IT, fixing computers and doing technology stuff, I have a lot of technology stuff, old computers, cables, TVs, monitors. So I decided to clean that up. And what better place to sell this on than eBay? So I'm going to show you really quick how I go through it and how I've made a process that's fairly efficient so that your eBay listings can take just a few minutes, and this may take a little bit longer because I'll be explaining what I'm doing. But essentially, I use my phone to take pictures and video. Automatically, when I take a picture, it goes into my Dropbox account, which is synchronized to my computer. So the moment I take a picture, within a few seconds, I'll find a picture in my computer. This is what you're going to see. And on eBay, if you've never used eBay, it's pretty simple to use. So you can do this with an Android phone. You can do this with an iPhone phone. All you need to do is make sure that your pictures are easily accessible via Dropbox, so you don't have to download and upload and do all that kind of stuff. So the first thing you want to do is go to eBay. In this case, in fact, I'll start over really quick. I go to ebay.com. Let me minimize all this other stuff. ebay.com. Minimize all this and minimize all this. So we'll go to ebay.com. You have to have an account, so if you don't have one, go ahead and create one. But I already have one I've been using for a while. So at the very top, I'm going to go and click where it says sell, and then sell an item. Click on that. Then you get prompted to give a description of the item, and eBay is going to find this item if it's something that eBay knows about, so that it fills in all the details for you. For example, in this case, I'm selling an old Dell laptop. Dell Latitude, and it's a C400. Look what happens. eBay automatically picks that, so I select that. And there it is. That's exactly the same laptop I'm selling. So the next thing I'm going to do is sell one like this. Click here where it says sell one like this. Based on that, I now get the next few steps where I will be able to bring in the pictures I took from my phone. Notice down here, I can add photos. So I'm going to go to my Finder and look for my uploads on my camera, which is camera uploads, and look for that. So just for convenience, I'm going to make one more folder. And I'm going to create that folder right here. New folder, C Latitude C400 laptop. I'm going to open that up, put it side by side, and then easily I'm going to select the pictures that I want, because I've added a few of them. I took some before. Let's see where they are. Arrange icons by date modified. This is other stuff I'm selling on eBay, so there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you sell stuff on eBay, people really like to see pictures of the real thing, more so than the pictures that eBay provides. So that's it. I have my pictures ready here. The next thing I'm going to do is click on Add Photos. eBay lets you put up to 12 photos for free, so take advantage of that. Put at least 4 or 5 different angles. If you have any blemishes on the computer or on your item, make sure you show them so that people are aware of the condition. So I'm going to click on Add Photos, and here's a cool trick that you probably have never thought about. This only works on Macs. Notice that when I click on Add Photos, a new window opened up, but this is not necessarily the window where I want to be to find these pictures. Very simple. Since I have this open on the side, I'm just going to pick one photo and drag it over here. Automatically, you notice that I was moved to this folder where I can select all the other photos. So I'm just going to click that, go to the bottom and hit my shift button. While I'm holding the shift button, I'm going to click on the last one. That selects all my photos. In case you have something like this where you see the thumbnails, you can just drag and drop. Drag a box around them, select them all. And then I'm going to click on open at the bottom right. After a few seconds, it's going to add all the photos. You can then crop them, rotate them, fix them up however you want. Now, this is something that's totally up to you, the listing price. because I just want people to buy this and I want to get rid of it, I'm going to list it at 99 cents. I've been doing this for a few months now. Everything I list, I sell for 99 cents. If it goes up, then it goes up. If it doesn't, then people get a bargain. What I do make sure I charge for properly is the shipping. In this case, because I know I'm going to use a US Postal Service prepaid box, one of the ones that you can fit anything you want and ship it for one flat rate, I'm going to do that and I'm going to edit that. Oh, and I believe I interrupted all the photo uploads. No, they're all there. Great. Okay. Actually, let's go back a little bit to the top. Listing title, there it is. This is the information as it came with it. However, I'm going to edit that because I believe we have more RAM. Actually, I have to verify that. In fact, I'm going to pause this. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I just checked, and this is one perfect example where eBay selected the best description and specifications for the product, but the product's slightly different. So here, I'm going to put in 512 because that's how much memory is in here. I'm also going to list 512 here. Let's see, operating systems, not included. So, and then condition, this is used. There's different ways that you can select this, different reasons why you would put one versus the other. Make sure you select carefully so you don't mislead your customer. In this case, the condition is definitely used. It's in really good condition, but it's used. So now I'm going to go ahead and create a description where I can explain a little bit more about the product to my potential buyers. Here I'll also make some disclosures like nothing comes with it except what you see in the picture, no operating system, it probably needs to be rebuilt, and things like that. So here's what I've said about my description. This is a great little laptop, but it's time to get rid of it. Best bid wins. The operating system needs to be rebuilt. It has 512 megabytes instead of the factory standard 256. You get only the laptop and the power cord. It does not come with external or internal CD or DVD or Wi-Fi. Great for a tech project, student, or parts, but it still works as a whole. Battery does not hold a charge. That's pretty clear as to what they're getting. I'm not deceiving them into thinking that they're getting a great laptop. It's definitely old, and people will see through that. At 99 cents, it should be a bargain for a lot of people that are looking for parts or maybe just a pet project. They can make this into a picture frame, a kitchen laptop, a garage laptop, all kinds of things that people would do with this. And again, I'm listing at 99 cents so that it gets some attention. Then the shipping is important because you don't want to sell something and then have to pay part of your money into shipping. So make sure that you have the buyer pay for that. It is standard procedure unless you're selling a big ticket item to do this. So click on the edit part, and then you get to configure your options. In this case, let's see, USPS priority mail. I'm not sure what this is. I'm simply going to create my own shipping option. eBay will then show me other ones. I'm going to say something like this. But I'm actually going to pick this. This is my favorite way of shipping. USPS, flat rate, envelope, boxes, and that's it. Because one fee, as long as your item fits in the box, that's all you have to pay. No questions about, if it's going down the street or if it's going across the country. It's not variable. It's a flat rate, and that's great. So I've already tested this out, and it's US Priority Mail large flat rate box, which will go in 2 to 3 days, and people will pay $15.45 to ship that. That's going to be my only option. Say next. And I'm going to come back to the product listing. Notice now it sells for 99 cents plus the 15.45 to the shipping person, to the shipping cost. Handling time 2 business days, no returns accepted. Here's my PayPal email address, and it's coming from my zip code. That's stuff that you can't really change, or you really don't need to change. So after this, you can preview your listing to see how it's going to look. Once you are satisfied with this, you've edited it, then you can close this. To me, it looks good. Here's my information, here's my description, or here's the description that came with it. What I don't like is that this description that I put in comes in all the way at the bottom. I really wish it was, higher up here, because people are going to read the product description first, and that's not actually completely accurate. So, in fact, I'm noticing here that there's some items that do not come with it. So I'm going to go and try to edit. For example, we don't have a floppy disk. So I'm going to close that and go back and edit that because we do not have all that stuff. Edit. Release year, this is 2003, not 1. Apparently I can't change that stuff. So I'm just going to note it in here. So rather than assuming that that's the only item that is going to be a problem, I just said, contrary to the built-in specs provided by eBay, this does not come with any external accessories or peripherals, only the laptop and the power cord. That's all. So this should be clear. Hopefully people read it. If not, it's still on them to understand that. And now I'm going to click on list it. The moment this goes to listing, I get to pick how many days I want the listing for. It can be, I believe, 5, 7, 10, maybe even more. It didn't let me pick. Maybe I had a settings set already. So let's go take a look and see what it is that we have it at. You can click on revise your listing. Let's see, duration, 7 days right here. I want it to actually be shorter than that, so I'm going to change that to 5 days and be done with it. I believe if you pick longer, then you get you will be paying an extra fee for that. Now the cool thing about eBay is that generally you don't have to pay any fees until you sell the item. They have a lot of specials where you can list items for free. You have a certain amount of free listings per month. So this is a great way to get rid of your stuff without having a garage sale or a yard sale. This is what I like to do with some of the higher ticket items or items that are very easy to ship. If you have a big computer monitor like I have here actually, and I need to sell this, this is bulky, it's difficult to ship, it can break. I tend to just sell this directly on Craigslist. Anything that I can put into my flat rate boxes from the USPS, then I sell because it's easy to package it up, drop it at the post office, and let it be on its way, and you're done. So anyway, this is how you list an item for eBay. Easy way to make some extra money from this stuff that you have at home. Usually you have a lot of junk. If you're anything like me, you have a lot of it in the garage, in the attic, in the closet. Just dig through it and you'll be able to find some really good stuff that you can sell. Unclutter your house and maybe even make some extra cash for a gift for Christmas, maybe a little vacation or a dinner out with your special someone. So have fun, thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Please leave me a comment if you like this, like the video, and also subscribe to future videos if you're interested in learning more about the internet, technology, and other random stuff I'll be teaching you about. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.